Welcome to miniOrange. miniOrange provides best single sign-on solution for Drupal, and as we know that is the best OAuth and OpenID solution available in the market, so we are going to configure Okta with Drupal OAuth Login. You can download the module from the link below. You will find the download link in the description as well. You can check installation steps on the download page of the module. Install the module. For instance, we install the module using Composer. Go to Admin Dashboard of your Drupal site and click on the extent. Search the miniOrange OAuth OAuth Login here. Enable the checkbox and click on Install button. Now go to the Configuration tab and select miniOrange OAuth OAuth Login Configuration. Under the Configuration tab, search for Okta in the search box and select Okta from the list below. In Step 1, copy the redirect URL and click on the Step 2 button. Let's configure the Okta as OAuth provider. Log in with your Okta credentials. Navigate to the Applications tab and select the applications. Now, click on Create App Integration button for creating the application. Select OIDC OpenID Connect as a sign-in method. Then select Web Application as application type. And click on the Next button. Enter the app name. And then click the Add URI button to add the redirect URL. Paste the redirect URL which you have copied in Step 1. Select any option to give control access. And click on the Save button. Copy the client ID. In Step 2, paste the copied client ID into Drupal's client ID text field. Copy the client secret. Paste the copied client secret into Drupal's client secret text field. And then click on the Step 3 button. Copy the Okta domain. In Step 3, there are two ways using which you can set up the scope and endpoints, either using the well-known URL of the Okta, or via manual configuration. If you opt to go the well-known URL route, fetch the well-known URL of Okta. You can find this in the video description down below. Under the Discovery or Well-Known URL tab, paste Okta's well-known URL. And click on the All Done button. Alternatively, for manual configuration, replace the copied Okta domain with the youroktadomain.com. In the Authorize endpoint, Access Token endpoint, and Get User Info endpoint respectively. And click on the All Done button. In summary, you will be able to review the configuration which you have done so far. Once verified, to check the connection between Drupal and Okta, you can click on the Test Configuration button. Select the email attribute from the dropdown and click on the Done button. Let's see how it works. Open a new browser or private window and go to your Drupal site. Click on the link to initiate the SSO from Drupal. Log in with your Okta credentials. Congratulations! The user has successfully logged in using SSO. miniOrange provides the best single sign-on solutions. Thanks for watching.